DirectFix.com presents
the Droid Eris screen replacement.
Please be sure to visit us on the web at DirectFix.com. At checkout, use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning, this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You're using these video directions and its content at your own risk. AX Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or condition of any kind, express or implied. Following these directions on this video will void your warranty. You're performing this repair at your own risk.
The battery cover is easily removed using the small groove at the top of the phone. Remove the battery. There are 4 T5 screws to remove. Slide a case opener tool between the chrome bezel and the front edge of the phone to remove the back case. There is a metal shield covering the electronics. It is held down with 4 silver strips of tape. Remove. Remove 4 Phillips head screws near the bottom of the phone. There are 3 ribbon cables for you to disconnect from the main board. The main board can now be removed. Be careful as one of the ribbon cables goes through a hole in the center of the board. Turn the unit over and the trackball will fall out. The black ribbon for the touch panel is glued to the back of the LCD. Gently remove. Carefully pull the LCD up from the front case.
Please be sure to visit our website, DirectFix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.